friends, come sing with me. Let's learn articles A, N, and the. They're tiny words but smart and bright. They help our sentences sound just right. When you meet something for the first time, say A or N, it sounds just fine. Use a before a consonant sound, like a tiger, a tree, a playground. But if the word starts with the vowel tone, use an, it's never alone. Like an elephant, an owl, an iguana too. That's a rule that's right for you. A, N, and the, hooray for three. The jungle's buzzing with harmony. A or N, listen and see. The sound will tell the rule to thee. Oh! Now listen close, here's a sneaky thing. It's not the letter, it's the sound that will ring. We say an hour, not an hour, my dear, because the H is silent, it disappears. But a university sounds like you, so A is correct, yes, that's true. Clap your hands and sing with glee. Learning English is easy, you'll see. A, N, and the, hooray for three. The jungle's buzzing with harmony. It's the sound, not the start. That's how you learn the grammar art. Now when you talk about something you know the steps in to steal the show, it's definite, special, one of a kind. Like the moon, the sun, or the lion you find when it's already known, or the only one. The shines bright like the morning sun. The river, the sky, the jungle green. The parrot, the peacock, what a scene. A, N, and the hooray for three. The jungle's buzzing with harmony. The is clear and strong in tone, used for things already known. There was a monkey up a tree who gave an orange to the queen bee. Then the elephant danced with an owl while a snake hissed, that's foul. A for gentle, N for vowels, they for special, that's the style. Now you know the jungle rule. Articles make your sentences cool.